Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. It's Cookmas Day 1 and we are kicking it off with a quick and easy appetizer. We are making some yummy bang bang shrimp. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I have my shrimpies here. These are extra large raw peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail on. Now you can certainly remove the tails if you don't want them. And you can also use whatever size shrimpies you want to use. These are frozen, so I'm going to throw them in a bowl with some cold water just to give them a quick thaw and to also give them a good cleaning. Alright guys, so let's make our bang bang sauce. So in a bowl, I'm going to go in with some mayo, sweet chili sauce, honey, soy sauce, sriracha, and some crushed red pepper flakes. We're going to mix this all together to combine. We're going to give it a taste and adjust it to our liking. I'm going to add in some more soy sauce, honey, sriracha, and sweet chili. We're going to cover it and refrigerate it until we're ready to use it. Alright, our shrimpies are nice and clean and thawed. We're going to season them generously. I have some Cooking with Quee all-purpose seasoning, some Morton seasoning blend, and I'll also add in some lemon pepper seasoning. Next, we're going to go in with some yellow mustard, hot sauce, and an egg. We're going to mix all of this together to combine. I'm going to push my shrimpies to the side. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add in some all-purpose flour. I'm going to season that generously as well with the same seasonings from earlier, in addition to some cayenne pepper, which is optional. Alright guys, so now we're ready to bread our shrimp. So my left hand will be my wet hand, my right hand will be my dry. I'm just going to dredge my shrimp into the flour, then we're going to place them on our wire rack until we're ready to fry them. Our shrimp are breaded, so now we're ready to fry. In my skillet over a medium heat, I have some vegetable oil here. I'm just checking the temperature. I want it to reach at least 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect here. So now we're going to add in the shrimp and allow them to fry for about 2 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, our first batch of shrimp are done cooking. I'm going to drain them on some paper towels and set them aside while we cook the rest of the shrimp. Alright guys, our scrimps, and yes, I said scrimps are nice and fried. We're going to add them to a bowl, pour over that yummy bang bang sauce. We're going to give them a good toss to make sure they're all evenly coated, and then we'll be ready to plate up. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Our bang bang shrimp are done. I'm going to garnish them with some chopped green onions or fresh chopped parsley, and that is it. Serve these babies right by themselves as an appetizer, or whip up some pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes and turn it into a meal. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all tomorrow in Cookmas Day 2. No.